In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best smart light switches in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. As far as smart lighting systems go, this switch by Lutron is one of the easiest to install and most feature-heavy on the market. This smart light switch doesn't require a neutral wire. Plus, it offers geofencing capabilities, which means your lights can automatically turn on when you arrive home and turn off when you leave. You also can schedule them to turn on or off by themselves at certain times of the day, a great feature that can make it seem like you're at home when you're actually away. The switch itself is highly functional, with different buttons indicating exactly what your options are, whether you want to turn out the lights or adjust the brightness. Want to use voice commands to control the lights? Integrate the Lutron switch with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri to get started. Keep in mind that you'll need to get the Lutron Smart Bridge to use all the features with any Lutron products, including the Lutron Caseta wireless dimmer. You can purchase a starter kit, which includes the bridge and a remote control. The bridge must be plugged into your home's router for you to control the lights from your electronic device, such as a smartphone. Number 4. If you don't mind paying a premium for it, the brilliant smart home control does much more than flip a single light switch. It serves as an all-in-one access point for the various smart products around your home, and many of today's leading platforms are compatible. Dim the connected lights or any smart lighting in the house, adjust your smart thermostat or sound system, or check your doorbell camera and use your smart lock to unlock the door. You can intuitively control all functions from the 5-inch touchscreen, which doubles as a digital photo frame when idle, or a video intercom system thanks to the integrated camera. Amazon Alexa also comes built into the panel, so you don't need your phone or another smart device nearby to give voice commands. Google Assistant and Siri are supported as well. Offering yet another control method is the brilliant mobile app, which brings your connected smart gadgets together in one place. There are different models to match the size of the panel you're replacing, from a 1-switch to a 4-switch panel. The downside to the device's complexity is more wiring and increased potential for issues during installation, so less experienced users will possibly require help from an electrician. Number 3. Some of the best smart home gadgets rely on a special connectivity standard called ZWave. If you've invested in these products for their long-range and low-power connectivity, don't worry, you're not left out when it comes to light switches. The GenBright ZWave Plus dimmer switch fits seamlessly into your smart home setup. Better yet, adding this smart switch into your home only further expands the signal strength throughout it, thanks to the way ZWave works. The GenBright ZWave Plus is simple to install, as it automatically detects line and load wires to configure itself appropriately, and you can set this switch up next to 3 additional switches. Most are able to figure it out without an electrician, but you do need a neutral wire. After installation, you'll get full dimming control over your lights from completely off to full brightness. You can also set up schedules and alerts, as you've come to expect from smart switches. There's even voice control since it supports Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. Just be sure you've got a ZWave certified hub. Number 2. Just as a smart plug can be an affordable way to turn one appliance into a smart appliance, a budget smart light switch is a convenient way to take a whole room full of lights, assuming they're on the same circuit, and give them the gift of smarts. The Casa smart light switch is a solid accomplice toward this goal while costing under $20. This option makes it easy to kit out multiple rooms or different light groups with their own switches. It works with standard light switch wiring and doesn't require a hub to keep installation simple, but you will need a neutral wire. Luckily, the Casa app guides you through the entire process, so even the least technologically inclined can figure it out. The Casa smart light switch is part of TPLink's robust smart home ecosystem, making it easy to control and pair with Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant. This also means you get to enjoy voice control with those smart assistants, so you'll no longer be stumbling through a dark room attempting to get the lights on. Through the Casa app, you can create scenes to quickly change lighting for multiple devices, set up schedules, or control lights remotely. Plus, an away mode randomly turns on lights when you're out of the house to prevent intruders. However, at this low price, you will miss out on dimming capabilities. Number 1. The Lutron Caseta Smart Home Dimmer Switch is not the cheapest option out there, but there's a reason it's the best. With this switch, you're not going to run into a bunch of limitations in the hardware it's compatible with or how you can use it. The Lutron Caseta switch simply wires into your existing light switch wiring without needing a neutral wire. This will quickly add some smarts to non-smart light bulbs, like dimmable LED and CFL bulbs. One switch is even capable of controlling many bulbs at once. There are plenty of options to control the lights you've connected, including the dimmer switch on the wall, Lutron's Pico remote control, the Lutron app, your voice, or a host of other methods. With the app, you can set up scenes to quickly adjust lights simultaneously, or you can run automations on the schedule or in response to your GPS coordinates. And the smart bridge used in conjunction with the switch doesn't require Wi-Fi, meaning if your Wi-Fi goes down, all your lights should continue to work as planned. The Lutron Caseta also supports many integrations, including Amazon's Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Ring. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.